Hello and welcome to the substitute video. A couple things. First, you'll notice that I'm not wearing my typical shirt. That's because I am experiencing a sunburn right now, so expect probably substitute videos for the next few days while I recover from that. Second, for those of you new this generation, might be wondering why we're on this page rather than the official Pokedex for the substitute video, and that's because there's a special Pokemon that appears in the anime or the manga. I read about it, usually prioritizing the anime over the manga, and that's what we're doing today. We'll read the entire article here. Officer Jenny's Gumshoos. We'll do the info box like we normally do. So, Officer Jenny's Gumshoos. Debuts in Tutapa Totem. Caught at Mele Mele Island. Gender is unknown. Ability is unknown. Current location with Officer Jenny. This Pokemon is fully evolved. Voice actor as Gumshoos. Japanese is Kato Ishikawa, and English is Billy Bob Thompson. Officer Jenny's Gumshoos is a Pokemon owned by an Officer Jenny on Mele Mele Island in the Alola region. History, Pokemon the series Sun and Moon. Gumshoos first appeared as an ally Pokemon in Verdant Cavern in Tutop a Totem, where Ash battled it in his first island trial. Gumshoos was quickly defeated after Pikachu attacked it with Iron Tail. Gumshoos later helped scare away the Alolan Rattata and Raticate in a store. After noticing that the normal Gumshoos had such sharp front teeth, Officer Jenny asked it to join her, seeing as she always wanted a partner, to which Gumshoos agreed. Gumshoos and Officer Jenny on patrol. In trial and tribulation, Officer Jenny was revealed to have obtained it as a new partner. She showed it to Ash and Professor Kukui, and Rotom noted that it made a good partner for her. In the Professor's new adventure, Gumshoos attended the wedding of Professors Kukui and Burnett with Officer Jenny. In a recipe for success, Gumshoos visited Oranguru's place, asking for its usual order. Oranguru asked Mallow to try and guess what Gumshoos' usual order was. After giving it some thought, Mallow served Gumshoos some moo milk served in a coconut, which Gumshoos gulped down in one shot before leaving satisfied. Personality and characteristics. Gumshoos is a very powerful battler, using its speed and raw strength to overwhelm opponents. Gumshoos is also a kind Pokemon, helping to scare away the Alolan Rattata and Raticate. Gumshoos can be a bit shy, as shown when Officer Jenny first asked it to join her, and when Rotom mentioned that they had a 99.7% compatibility with its trainer. It is also shown to copy what its trainer does, for instance, when it saluted right after Officer Jenny saluted. In a recipe for success, its favorite drink was revealed to be moo milk, and enjoys drinking it both on duty, such as during stakeouts and off-duty. Moves used, using Sand Attack. We got moved and first used in, so move, Sand Attack, first used in Tutapa Totem. Takedown, also first used in Tutop a Totem, and Hyperfang, also used in Tutapa Totem. Trivia, Gumshoos is the only reoccurring Pokemon used by an Officer Jenny to be shown as a wild Pokemon before an Officer Jenny was shown with one under her ownership. Related articles, got the Gumshoos and the Totem Pokemon. Officer Jenny's Pokemon. That is it. I hope you've enjoyed. As always, this isn't my proper outfit. You'll see me tomorrow.